Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Autel charger is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any electric vehicle owner, offering a blend of advanced technology, user-friendly design, and robust performance that ensures your vehicle is always ready to go, making it a standout choice in a crowded market. Number 5. ChargePoint HomeFlex Level 2 EV Charger. ChargePoint is dedicated to building reliable and flexible EV charging solutions for every need. You can count on our 24/7 support and extensive network of charging locations. Take full control of your charging experience with our intuitive mobile app. Manage your charging schedule, connect with smart home devices, and access all the latest features and information. Our vast network offers over 274,000 charging stations across North America and Europe, plus access to hundreds of thousands more through our roaming partners. You'll always find a charge wherever you go. This UL-certified EV charger ensures safe home charging, whether installed indoors or outdoors. It features a durable, cold-resistant cable for reliable performance in any condition. Experience charging speeds up to 9 times faster than a standard 120V outlet, delivering up to 45 miles of range per hour. It's designed for all non-Tesla EVs with its J1772 connector and plugs into a 240V outlet. What we like. If you frequently travel or need to charge away from home, this charger's extensive network access is a major advantage. Its user-friendly app and 24/7 support provide peace of mind and convenience. You should consider this if you value a robust ecosystem and reliable assistance. What people say. The Autel charger is a solid piece of equipment. It is a very well-built charger and feels very robust. The charging speed is impressive and it charges my EV very quickly. Number 4. Autel MaxiCharger Level 2 EV Charger. Introducing the Autel MaxiCharger, a Level 2 EV charger designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It offers powerful charging capabilities to get you back on the road faster. Experience high-speed charging that adds up to 37 miles per hour. Its durable, long cable remains flexible even in extreme cold, ensuring a reliable charge anytime, anywhere. This charger is CSA certified and NEMA Type 4 rated, providing protection against all weather conditions. It also features multiple safety protections for long-lasting, efficient operation. Manage your charging with the intuitive Autel Charge app, schedule charging, optimize for off-peak hours, and enjoy seamless connectivity via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Designed for easy installation and backed by a 3-year warranty, automatic app updates, and 24/7 support. You can trust in its quality and our commitment to service. From a brand with extensive experience in automotive technology, this charger was developed with safety, intelligence, and aesthetics in mind. What we like. For those who need to charge quickly and efficiently, this option offers impressive speed. Its robust certification and smart app control provide both safety and convenience. If you're looking for a powerful and reliable charger with advanced features, this is a great choice. What people say. The charger is very easy to use and set up. It charges my Tesla Model 3 quickly and efficiently. The app provides useful information about charging status and history. Number 3. ChargePoint HomeFlex Level 2 EV Charger. ChargePoint is dedicated to building reliable and flexible EV charging solutions. You can count on our 24/7 support and access to a vast network of charging locations. Our user-friendly mobile app puts you in control. Manage charging, set reminders, and connect to smart home devices with ease. No matter where your journey takes you, our extensive network offers hundreds of thousands of charging stations across North America and Europe. This UL-certified charger ensures safe home charging, suitable for both indoor and outdoor installation. Its cold-resistant cable is built to last. Experience charging up to 9 times faster than a standard outlet, delivering up to 45 miles of range per hour. It's compatible with all non-Tesla EVs via the J1772 connector. Plugging into a 240V outlet with a 14 to 50 receptacle, it's ready for your electric vehicle. An adapter is available for Tesla EVs. What we like. If you value access to a wide range of charging stations and appreciate a simple, intuitive app experience, this charger is an excellent fit. The added benefit of 24/7 support ensures you're never left in the dark. Consider this if you prioritize a comprehensive charging solution and reliable customer service. What people say. The Autel charger is a great charger. It is a very good charger for the price. It is a very good charger. It is a very good charger for the price. It is a very good charger. It is a very good charger for the price. Number 2. EVIQO Level 2 Smart EV Charger. Introducing the EVIQO Level 2 EV Charger, designed for convenient and powerful charging of your electric vehicle at home. Get ready to experience a new level of ease with your EV. Forget about costly installations. This smart charger features a simple plug-in design, connecting to a standard NEMA 14-50 outlet. It's ready to go right out of the box, fully recharging most EVs overnight. Our charger is equipped with the standard J1772 connector, ensuring compatibility with all North American non-Tesla EVs and PHEVs. It even works with Tesla vehicles using a simple adapter. Take full control of your charging experience with our intuitive smartphone app. Manage charging sessions, adjust current, and monitor your energy consumption, all from your phone via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Engineered for durability, this charger boasts an IP66 NEMA 4 weatherproof enclosure. It's certified by UL and ETL, ensuring reliable performance in rain, snow, heat, or dust. Never struggle to find your charger in the dark again. The innovative fluorescent holster makes plugging in and storing the connector effortless, even in low-light conditions. What we like. If you're looking for a charger that's easy to install without an electrician and can withstand various weather conditions, this is a strong contender. Its smart app offers great control over charging. You should choose this if you prefer a DIY installation and need a durable, weather-resistant unit with smart capabilities. What people say. The Autel charger is a great addition to my home charging setup. It's easy to install and has a sleek, modern design that looks good on my garage wall. I love the smart features of this charger. The app is intuitive and allows me to schedule charging sessions, monitor my energy usage, and even receive notifications when my car is fully charged. It's made managing my EV charging so much simpler. The charging speed is impressive. My EV charges much faster with the Autel charger compared to my previous one. It's reliable and has handled all weather conditions without any issues. Number 1. Hanatora Dual Drone Charging Hub for Autel EVIQO 2 Series. Introducing the Hanatora Dual Drone Charging Hub, designed specifically for your Autel EVIQO 2 Series drones. It's the perfect accessory to keep you in the air longer. This intelligent hub can charge up to 3 batteries and a remote controller at the same time. Save valuable time and get back to your missions faster. Fully charge 3 batteries in approximately 110 minutes. The intuitive LED indicators clearly show charging status, turning green when a battery is ready. Your safety is paramount. This charger is built with a robust safety system, offering protection against overcharging, overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits. An integrated exhaust fan actively reduces internal heat, ensuring optimal charging temperatures and preventing damage from high temperatures. With universal input voltage, 100V, 240V, it's ready for any adventure. It provides a powerful DC output of 13.2V 12A for batteries and a 5V 3A USB output for other devices. What we like. For drone enthusiasts with multiple Autel EVIQO 2 batteries, this charger is a game changer. It allows you to charge 3 batteries and a remote controller simultaneously, significantly reducing downtime. If you're looking to maximize your flight time and minimize charging waits, this rapid charging hub is ideal. What people say. The charger is very easy to use and set up. It charges my car quickly and efficiently. The build quality is excellent and it feels very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.